our culture is a very humble culture, and sometimes we're too quiet. Right? One of the reasons why I'm successful is because I learned how to speak up when I need to. The first couple of years in wrestling, me and another Tongan member would be getting such a low amount of pay every year, where the other guys who are not Tongan
Yeah.
would be getting 3-4 times what we were getting.
Wow.
But I didn't blame them because that's how they were taught and brought up, to ask for what you want.
Yeah.
Where our culture is just shut up, do what you're told.
What you get is what you get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, here's how much we can afford to give you. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, I'm so grateful because that's all they can afford. No, that's somebody. Yeah, they would say no.
Yeah.
They will always throw the smallest amount at you. When I learned that, I started to experiment. I looked at it. I said, a little bit higher, please. And they'll sit back and they'll look at me and they go, okay. You like that one? I said, better. But, you know, I would have never been able to do that before. But, so I started learning throughout the years. I got to the point where I grabbed the fare and I chuck it around and I walk outside and they'll come running.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah.
come back. And
That's
come back.
They always try
That's
to, try to play with you, eh?
That's an interesting negotiation tactic there.
Yeah.
And that's the point of, learning to use your voice. And that's your voice right there.
I mean, but like I guess you also proved your value
Yes.
as well. You know, you not only know